In this video, I'll show you how to insert a disk in your PS5, obviously the one that has the disk reader over here. It's very easy to take your game or your movie like this, okay? And usually on one side of the disk, you should have the graphics, okay, telling you whatever it is. And on the other side, there's nothing. Well, you need to insert it with the graphics towards where the power button and the USB ports are. So in this position, do not insert it the other way with the graphics facing nothing really. Okay, so turn it like this and you simply want to glide it. Let me position my camera over here. You simply want to glide it slowly and the PS5 will take it. Okay, like this. You don't need to push it. Don't force anything. If not, it will get stuck and damage the disk. Once you're done, let's say you want to get it back, simply press the eject button, which is this button right over here. There's a power button down below and above the smaller one, the eject button. Press once, wait a few seconds. It will come and then once it came out, you can glide it out. Okay, so very important, the graphics towards the USB port and the power button. There's also another way on how to eject it in case this button is not working. Let me just put it back. I'll show you. It's on the screen. So on your PS5, you need to navigate, okay, under media. This is the main menu, by the way. Media, go right, and you're gonna see disk player. Click this button right over here on your controller. Once you're over your disk, and select eject disk. Okay, press X, wait a few seconds, and it will come out right now. Here we go. Very easy, so you have two different ways. There's also another way in case both of these methods are not working, how to get it out, and I'll make a separate video showing you how to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.